Hello, and welcome to another update on Doge. This is the Dogecoin chart on the 1 hour time frame. Important to recognize here that there is not really any strong upside momentum from the 22nd of June low. Yep, the price has reacted to Fibonacci support, but it was quite a deep pullback. Not too deep for a B wave, however. Still a reasonable B wave pullback, but there has not really been any impulsive reaction yet. So any rally here so far is all, just corrective basically in nature. A diagonal pattern to the upside is absolutely possible. That is what I'm tracking here and what I'm tracking on various other cryptocurrency charts as well. But diagonals often lack momentum. They are quite weak typically, especially here the upside move. Very much overlapping. And the way to track a diagonal structure in this context is to see the initial rally as a wave 1 in a 3-wave move. Then we have here a wave 2 corrective pullback, you could say, or sideways consolidation. And the move up would be a 3rd wave as an A, B, C structure in a 3rd wave. Then maybe wave 4 and wave 5. And that would give me a proper 5-wave move up, potentially to 20 cents or a little higher. Yeah, the 161.8 extension is normally a very common target for a 5th wave in such a diagonal structure. The 3rd wave should really get to the 138% extension, 19.6 cents, maybe even higher, but so far there is really a lack of upside momentum. So we're basically ranging here. Next step for the bulls would be a break above that Thursday high, 3rd of July, here a break above that 17.6 cent level. And that would be the first step, and then obviously taking the price above these swing highs from the 16th of June at 18.2 cents. But yeah, basically I'm not fully convinced yet, because we have hit micro support for what seems like a B wave pullback in wave 3 here between 16 cents. This is really micro support. So between 16 cents and 16.6 cents. And we haven't really seen any impulsive reaction. There's nothing there that currently would tell me that support is holding. Doesn't mean it doesn't hold, but it means there's nothing there that confirms at this point that support is holding. So overall, not really any strong upside reaction here. And the 16 cent level remains, key support here in the very short term for this B wave pullback. This is really the next support. Any decisive break below the 16 cent level will make this microstructure already less probable. The focus will then shift to the red line at 15.6 cents, because that is the invalidation point for the diagonal pattern. In such a diagonal, a B wave here of a 3rd wave must never break below the wave 2 low. If it does, then the structure shifts, and it would allow me to interpret this as a wider wave 2 maybe. So the wave 2 simply shifts over here, but that means it's all big mess, basically. But it's possible. It could be a wider B wave, absolutely. But then the invalidation point is the June 22nd low. I mean, honestly, below that level, there is no setup below that level. I mean, I have no bullish setup left if we break below the 22nd of June low. So there are a few possibilities for the bulls still to turn this around. I'm tracking possible diagonal structures on various crypto charts at the moment. We just now need to see the next wave of upside momentum. So maybe next week. Certainly, we're now in support and we have some very clear levels to watch. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.